This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to delete Payees on the Hsbc app. Managing your Payees effectively is an important part of online banking, and sometimes you might find yourself needing to streamline your list. Whether it's because you no longer need to make payments to a particular contact, or simply to keep your account organized, knowing how to delete Payees is a useful skill. To start, you might need to use Hsbc's online banking interface rather than the mobile app. So fire up your favorite web browser and navigate to the Hsbc online banking login page. Enter your credentials to access your account securely. Always ensure that you're on the official Hsbc site to protect your personal information. Once you're logged in, head over to the Pay and Transfer section. This is your main hub for managing transactions and payees. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Manage Payees, or it might appear as Manage Pay Contacts depending on your region or the version of the interface you are using. Click on that option to proceed. Here, you will see a comprehensive list of all the payees you've saved in your account. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the payee you wish to remove. Once you've located them, look for a drop-down menu next to their name. This menu is your gateway to managing that specific payee. Click on the drop-down menu and select the Delete option. The system will prompt you to confirm your choice. As a precautionary measure to ensure you don't accidentally remove a payee you still intend to use, confirm the deletion, and with that, the payee will be removed from your account. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to delete a payee on your Hsbc account. Remember to review your list periodically to keep it up to date and minimize clutter. Deleting unused payees can make your banking experience more efficient and secure. Thanks for watching this tutorial and happy banking.